Today, we are going to talk about the Tesla Powerwall and the Tesla Model 3 prices because in recent days, there is a price cut that is made for the Tesla Model 3 in which we can consider beneficial for Tesla in the long run due to tax credits and electric vehicle interest rates. This is Stock Market Now. Before we continue, do make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up so that we can create more informational and educational videos for you to consume. With that said, let's get right into the video. Now, having a couple of thousands of dollars price cut will surely make a difference for Tesla. Especially, a lot of people are buying Tesla automobiles right now. Now, let's talk about the things that are happening in Texas right now. Tesla owners are now being saved by unusually cold weather in Texas, and Texas is experiencing several power outages right now. Texas is surviving right now on harsh cold winter weather, and their state struggles with power outages and blackouts in some part of the region. Elon Musk tweeted his reaction to these events, saying that ERCOT is not earning that R. Many Tesla owners right now are posting videos and photos of what is their situation living in Texas right now. It seemed difficult but not as bad as everyone else. Essentially, a lot of customers bought out the Tesla solar panels and the Tesla Powerwall. The Tesla Powerwall is just a giant battery that you put inside your house, and the Tesla solar panels will get a lot of electricity, and when you are not using it, Tesla solar panels will save that energy into your Tesla Powerwall. Now, Tesla Powerwall will also give some tips on how to spend your saved electricity wisely and economically. Tesla Powerwall allows you to enjoy electricity and have your heater on, especially during the cold weather right now that people are experiencing in Texas whenever there is a shortage in your region. Now, how amazing is that? Blackouts can occur for long hours or even the whole day. A lot of people are showing off on social media about their Tesla Powerwall and how amazing it is. Now, you can look at this video right here showing a whole neighborhood having a blackout except for that one house that has Tesla Powerwall and a Tesla solar roof. Tesla has been doing some hard work in making their solar panels more affordable and accessible for everyone, and they are doing a pretty good job. Right now, a lot of people are having an interest in this technology and buying it in case another event will happen just like this one. Now, the best thing about this is that this is free electricity. Now, you can get free electricity from the sun during the day or even during the cold winter days. Now, the sun is still bright and shining, and Tesla solar panels can catch that energy, then store it on the Tesla Powerwall, and then you can use it again during the night. Some of Tesla Model 3 owners said that the cars have been a big use to them. Now, when you charge the Model 3 into 100%, you can easily charge your phone, laptops, and other stuff. Also, Tesla Model 3 owners said that the Tesla Model 3 is a very good and very comfortable sleeping pod. Now, when you turn on the heat and just don't drive it, the Tesla Model 3 will last a very long time, and it can last for a couple of days, said some owners. Now, it would be really awesome if you can do reverse charging. It means that you can transfer the electricity that you have from the Model 3 to the Powerwall, even though you don't have any Tesla solar panels and you have tons of electricity stored on your Tesla Model 3. Then you can use that to light up your house. Now, that would be really cool. Now, I know that Elon Musk has some thought about this, and this is now new because a lot of electric station companies are developing this kind of technology, and even some of them are launching these kinds of technology in the market. Now, it is pretty good to hear that a lot of people that are benefiting from these kinds of technology during hard times. Now, we can say that after this, there is a shift into cleaner energy that will happen, and a lot of people will invest more in solar panels and even Tesla Powerwall. Now, right now, let's talk about the Tesla Model 3 price cut. Tesla works and manages to cut the price of the Tesla Model 3 down. Now, this small cut will have a big impact on the company in the long run. The price of the Tesla Model 3 standard range plus variant sits around $37,000 from $38,000. Also, they dropped the price of the Tesla Model Y price from $42,000 to $40,000. Now that is $1,000 price cut for the Model 3 and $2,000 drop for the Model Y. Now if you buy an electric vehicle, the Congress will give you a $7,000 tax credit, and that would make the Tesla Model 3 worth $30,000 when you buy it. Now that is very cheap, and it is cheaper than the luxury sedans right now. Now the sales of the model right now are starting to go up. Now just take into consideration having a $1,000 price cut and a $7,000 tax credit, which makes it more sense to buy the Tesla Model 3 if you're looking for an electric sedan. The model is also worth about $33,000 when you buy it right now with the $2,000 price cut and the $7,000 tax credit. Now that is very good compared to buying to other electric vehicles like the Chevrolet Bolt. A lot of people around the world are starting to buy more Tesla vehicles, even in India. It's beginning to evolve as a big market in electric vehicles because the government of India is offering a lot of benefits for its own people to go green. Now, many different governments of the world are paying individuals and giving incentives to their people in exchange to go green. Right now, I can say that I am impressed with what Tesla is doing, and a lot of people are putting their interest in Tesla. Some of the people say that Tesla won't be worth like this, but think about it, people. Tesla is doing a great job. Now, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. But before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. This is Stock Market Now. We'll see you in the next video.